Welcome to the Sustainable Urban Freight Capacity Building Programme. This is an e-course that's designed to provide cities and regions with the skills and knowledge that they need to develop, implement and operate zero emission zones for freight. My name's Jill Duggan and I'm the Executive Director for Environmental Defence Fund in Europe. And I'm pleased to introduce this course, and I want to tell you a bit more about Environmental Defence Fund and a bit more about the Sustainable Urban Freight Project. So Environmental Defence Fund has been going for over 50 years in the United States. And the key characteristics of the fund, which is an NGO, not a fund, is that we use science, economics and pragmatic policies to try and accelerate action on climate, on energy, on ecosystems, on health and on oceans. And we see that the SURF project will really have the potential to make a difference in this post, we hope, pandemic world, where we've seen a lot of changes to the way we live and work, where we've seen the rise in demand for parcels delivered to our doors. We've seen more trucks and vans on the road. The freight sector is very, very energy intensive, and the last mile delivery that we've all experienced in increasing numbers over the last months and last year relies largely on diesel vehicles that are extremely polluting, damaging our air quality as well as the planet more generally. They create air pollution, noise pollution, congestion, and greenhouse gas emissions. And we need to find new solutions right now as we think about how we're going to live in this post-pandemic world to protect public health, to actually contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable logistics system that will tackle climate change as well. Environmental Defence Fund is really excited about the SURF project. We think there's a huge potential to decarbonise the freight sector and improve our urban environments. European cities have been beginning to incorporate freight into sustainable urban logistics plans. And we looked for an opportunity to contribute to that. And we're really pleased to be working with Polis to support cities and try and provide the guidance and tools to help accelerate innovative transport measures, focusing on zero emission zones for freight. Environmental Defence Fund's Global Clean Air Initiative looks at work that is critical to drive policies that are going to maximise the health benefits to all and climate benefits to all. We are very aware that across the world, those who are experiencing the worst air pollution are very often the poorest in society. We want to find innovative ways to accelerate clean air action at the regional and city level. And we think one of the best ways of doing this is helping support pilots that trial clean air solutions with the potential for others to benefit from that learning and to roll out those projects more globally. And so this is a collaboration of sharing lessons learned between a variety of stakeholders and providing the additional tools and knowledge that might be useful in developing these solutions. Many cities are, in the wake of the pandemic and the worst of the pandemic, rethinking how we live, work, and how to create healthier communities. We've recognized that air quality has been one of the contributory factors that have made people more vulnerable to COVID. Reducing emissions and congestion from freight is a critical part of developing more sustainable transport systems. We hope that the information in this course provides strong technical foundation to help implement zero emission zones for freight, but also connects cities with each other, with experts and with other stakeholders working on this issue. I hope you find the course valuable. Thank you.